Tiredness is a liar, man. And what's so powerful about the way tiredness lies is that it doesn't shout, it whispers, and it always borrows the voice of your past. Have you ever been so tired you start doubting your entire journey? Not because things were going wrong, but because you didn't feel as sharp, you didn't feel as clear, you didn't feel like you. You've done the work, you fought the battles, you made progress. But now, here you are, questioning the same things you already overcame. Asking questions like, am I really good at this? Was that growth real, or did I just imagine it? What if I never really changed? What if I just got distracted? You see those questions? That's not the truth talking. That's tiredness. And tiredness has a way of resurrecting lies you already buried. When your energy is low, your imagination gets hijacked. You stop dreaming forward and start remembering backward. When your body is low, your mind gets into survival mode. And survival mode does not remember progress. It remembers fear. It pulls old insecurities off the shelf and presents them before you. But it's all lies. You are just worn out. And when you're worn out, even the lies sound logical. So here's the reality check. You're not stuck, you're not fake, you are most definitely not back to square one. You're just tired. And tired doesn't mean broken. It means you are carrying more than people know. It means you are showing up even without a plot. It means you are human, not weak. Your tired self is not your true self, and your current state is not your permanent story. You did not lose progress, you just lost your breath. Catch it and continue.